I am Keisha Valcent.
I'm Angus Valcent. We've been married for over 8 years. We started our company 7 years ago. Started as a side hustle. I had a main job. I had my main job. So we wanted some extra income. So we started baking bread. So it went so far that the demand for it was increasing. And we had to choose between our
9 to 5
job
Yeah.
or our side hustle become our main hustle.
So Akay's Bakery is a family-owned business. It's located in the community of Babonneau. Like the name says, it's Akay's Bakery. So we mainly focus on baking, breads, cakes. One of our best sellers is our cinnamon rolls. So this is something that we do every day. Cinnamon rolls, we never have enough. So we have different types of bread where you can get your multigrain breads. We customize the burger buns based on what you want. So you have a kids party, we can do colored burger buns. Whatever you wish for, we can do it. We wanted the point of sale system, first of all, because we wanted to be able to keep track of our daily sales. To help us when it comes to our best sellers, you could always go back, so you don't have to do it on a daily basis to see what sells best on particular days. Because like on a Monday, probably might sell more cinnamon rolls or more bread. So then it would make your workload a little easier, so you know exactly what you're targeting for the day.
My favorite feature is the old feature. My friends come to us, we have some drinks. Each person will want to have a round of drinks on them. So what we do, we put the name, we put how much drinks they take. The next person can go and do the same thing. So when you can track to see who take what and who pay no drink, it's easy that way. And one of the features I like also, when my stock is getting low, I'll get an email instantly and tell me this stock is going very well to replenish. I love that feature also.